Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best swim caps on Amazon. Swim caps necessary part of every professional swimmer's equipment and can affect your swimming experience, whether you're a professional or recreational swimmer. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Speedo Silicone Solid. According to swim cap reviews, Speedo Silicone Solid swim cap is very snug, so you can feel secure that your hair will stay dry, yet even though it is so snug, you can stretch it a lot, and it still snaps back like new. Due to its snugness, it gives you a sense of security, and you don't feel like it's going to come off during your swim session. Since it is composed of man-made materials, it fits and feels well on your head, and apart from that your hair will feel and behave the same as before swimming. It is also extra durable, which means you can stretch it to your heart's content, and it will not rip or tear apart, and what is extremely important, especially for those with long hair, it is easy to take off without snagging your hair, even if you have fine and delicate hair. What we like about it? Man-made materials. Amazing stretch and comfort. Extremely durable and resistant to tearing. Easy to take off without snagging hair. Number 2. Speedo Unisex Adult Swim Cap. Have you ever dreamed of swimming at the Olympics with an American flag on your cap, with your whole nation cheering you on? Well, now you can get close with this patriotic waterproof swim cap, with the American flag print right across the middle. It is very soft and lightweight, and with no wrinkles, which reduces drag. It is a more comfortable fit, making you feel extremely comfortable wearing it on your head, and can be stretched to more than double its size. It is easy to get it on and off, without snagging your hair. It is made of silicone and is resistant to tearing and ripping, so you can stretch it as much as you want. What we like about it? Silicone material. Tear resistant. Easy to take off and on without snagging hair. American flag print. Number 3. Speedo Silicone for Long Hair. Another great product made for swimmers with long hair, this lightweight latex-free swim cap is made of silicone, allowing it to stretch to over double its original size. It is made specifically for longer hair, with some extra space that allows you to tuck in your long hair inside, without compromising its smooth and tight fit around your head. It is designed to securely hug your head to reduce drag, yet even though it is snug, you can count on taking it off and putting it on again without any problems like snagging and pulling your hair. What we like about it? Made of lightweight, latex-free silicone. Easy on and off design. Extra space to tuck your long hair inside. Number 4. The Friendly Swede Silicone Long Hair. Designed in Sweden, these caps are made of 100% premium quality silicone, and when it comes to swimming caps for long hair, they are the ones to look for. They are suitable for male and female swimmers, as well as both adults and children. You will love how easy it is to put this cap on and off, without any hair pulling. To protect your ear from water, the manufacturers added comfortable ergonomic ear pockets to the swim caps. The design of the cap is wrinkle-free, which allows you to swim faster and with less resistance, and its sleek design is recommended by many US swimming instructors. What we like about it? Made of 100% premium quality silicone. Suitable for men and women, adults and children. Comfortable ergonomic ear pockets. Wrinkle-free design. Number 5. Terla Vengadora. This silicone waterproof swim cap found its place among the top-rated swim caps because it is made to slide uneasily on your head and stay there. It is also suitable for both adults and youths, who will, by the way, love its groovy design and wonderfully vivid colors. Apart from being darn cute, you can count on using it for hours and hours, and you bet it won't change its shape. It is also hypoallergenic and has a silicone construction which makes it super soft and makes you feel comfortable all the while keeping your hair dry and improving your speed underwater. If you want a unique look while at the pool, look no further. This is your swimming hat. What we like about it? 100% silicone. Attractive design. Durable material. Hypoallergenic. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, Please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.